In general, most contractors either cannot or will not pay performance-based bonuses. Residential work is usually bid low, and the contractor needs to get paid regardless of the quality of the work. A production bonus if the job is completed on time or under budget is more likely. However, a bonus for the quality of work is rare. In commercial work with change orders, the chances of having some extra money to pay a bonus are better. The bonus is, however, more likely to be based on the amount of change order work rather than the quality of the work. A few contractors will include a quality bonus in their bids as an incentive to the subcontractors to do the best job they can. A bonus based on the opinion of a third party could help the contractor in any future disputes relating to the work. Because the homeowner does not always know what is a quality job, the bonus is usually based on the opinion of an architect hired by the contractor. Considering the intricacies of performance-based bonuses in the contracting industry, it's essential to delve deeper into the factors that influence their implementation and effectiveness. Firstly, the financial constraints faced by contractors, particularly in residential projects, often limit their ability to offer bonuses tied directly to quality. The competitive nature of bidding processes in residential construction frequently results in contractors submitting bids with minimal profit margins. This leaves little room for incorporating quality-based bonuses without jeopardizing the financial viability of the project. Secondly, the subjectivity inherent in assessing the quality of work further complicates the implementation of quality-based bonuses. Unlike objective metrics such as project completion time or adherence to budget, evaluating the quality of workmanship often relies on subjective judgment. This can lead to disputes between contractors and employees or subcontractors regarding the fairness and accuracy of bonus assessments. Thirdly, the prevalence of change orders in commercial projects presents both opportunities and challenges for bonus structures. While change orders can generate additional revenue for contractors, the allocation of bonuses based on change order work may not directly incentivize quality. Instead, it may prioritize the completion of change orders efficiently, potentially at the expense of meticulous craftsmanship. Fourthly, the involvement of third-party architects in assessing the quality of work can mitigate some of the subjectivity associated with bonus determinations. Architects, with their expertise in design and construction, can provide impartial evaluations of workmanship, ensuring that bonuses are awarded based on objective criteria. However, the cost of hiring an architect for this purpose may be prohibitive for smaller projects, limiting the feasibility of this approach. Fifthly, the effectiveness of bonuses as incentives depends on the alignment of goals between contractors and employees or subcontractors. If employees or subcontractors are primarily motivated by financial rewards, bonuses can be an effective tool for promoting quality workmanship. However, if other factors such as job satisfaction, recognition, or professional development are more important to employees or subcontractors, bonuses may have a limited impact on their performance. Sixthly, the communication of bonus criteria and expectations is crucial for ensuring that bonuses are perceived as fair and motivating. Contractors should clearly articulate the specific criteria used to evaluate the quality of work and the process for awarding bonuses. This transparency can help prevent misunderstandings and foster a sense of trust between contractors and employees or subcontractors. Seventhly, the timing of bonus payments can also influence their effectiveness. Bonuses that are paid promptly after the completion of a project are more likely to be perceived as rewarding and motivating. Delays in bonus payments can diminish their impact and undermine the perceived value of quality workmanship. Eighthly, the use of a combination of incentives, including both financial and non-financial rewards, can be more effective than relying solely on bonuses. Non-financial rewards such as public recognition, opportunities for advancement, or additional training can complement financial incentives and create a more holistic approach to motivating employees or subcontractors. Ninthly, the implementation of quality control measures throughout the project can help ensure that workmanship meets the required standards. Regular inspections, adherence to industry best practices, and the use of high-quality materials can all contribute to improving the overall quality of work and reducing the need for rework or repairs. Tenthly, the legal and regulatory requirements governing bonus structures should be carefully considered. Contractors should consult with legal counsel to ensure that their bonus programs comply with all applicable laws and regulations, including those related to wage and IR laws, employment discrimination, and tax withholding. 11thly, the use of technology can streamline the bonus administration process and improve transparency. Project management software can be used to track project progress, document quality control inspections, and calculate bonus amounts automatically. This can reduce the administrative burden associated with bonus programs and minimize the risk of errors. 12thly, the evaluation of the effectiveness of bonus programs should be conducted regularly. Contractors should track key metrics such as project completion time, budget adherence, and customer satisfaction to assess the impact of bonuses on project outcomes. This information can be used to refine bonus structures and improve their effectiveness over time. 13thly, the integration of bonuses with other performance management systems can create a more comprehensive approach to employee or subcontractor motivation. Bonuses should be aligned with performance reviews, training programs, and career development opportunities to create a culture of continuous improvement. 14thly, the adaptation of bonus structures to the specific needs and characteristics of different projects is essential. A bonus structure that is effective for one type of project may not be suitable for another. Contractors should tailor their bonus programs to the unique challenges and opportunities presented by each project. 15thly, the consideration of ethical implications is crucial when designing and implementing bonus programs. Contractors should ensure that their bonus programs do not incentivize unethical behavior, such as cutting corners or compromising safety. 16thly, the communication of the long-term benefits of quality workmanship can help reinforce the importance of quality among employees or subcontractors. Contractors should emphasize that quality work not only leads to satisfied customers but also enhances the contractor's reputation and increases the likelihood of future business. 17thly, the provision of opportunities for employees or subcontractors to develop their skills and knowledge can improve the quality of their work. Contractors should invest in training programs, mentoring opportunities, and other resources that help employees or subcontractors stay up to date on the latest industry best practices. 18thly, the creation of a culture of collaboration and teamwork can foster a sense of shared responsibility for project outcomes. Contractors should encourage employees or subcontractors to work together to identify and resolve problems, share best practices, and support each other in achieving project goals. 19thly, the implementation of a formal quality assurance program can help ensure that workmanship meets the required standards. A quality assurance program should include regular inspections, documentation of defects, and corrective actions to address any deficiencies. 20thly, the use of customer feedback can provide valuable insights into the quality of work and identify areas for improvement. Contractors should solicit feedback from customers throughout the project and use this information to refine their processes and improve customer satisfaction. 21stly, the establishment of clear lines of communication between contractors, employees or subcontractors, and customers can help prevent misunderstandings and resolve disputes. Contractors should encourage open and honest communication and respond promptly to any concerns raised by customers or employees or subcontractors. 22ndly, the documentation of all project activities, including quality control inspections, change orders, and customer communications, can provide a valuable record in the event of a dispute. Contractors should maintain accurate and complete records of all project-related activities. 23rdly, the insurance coverage should be reviewed to ensure that it adequately protects the contractor against potential losses arising from defects in workmanship. Contractors should consult with their insurance provider to determine the appropriate level of coverage. 24thly, the legal advice should be sought to ensure that the contracts with employees or subcontractors and customers are legally sound and protect the contractor's interests. Contractors should consult with legal counsel to review their contracts and ensure that they comply with all applicable laws and regulations. 25thly, the continuous improvement process should be embraced to identify and implement improvements to processes and practices. Contractors should regularly review their operations and seek opportunities to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve quality.